everyone, in this video I will show you how can we construct a dictionary when we have two different lists containing value. So I am going on to my VS Code and here you can see that I have two lists, names and ages. So it is holding all the names and it is holding the respective ages. Now I want to perform the mapping wherein Sashi should map to 23, Honey to 43 and Mira to 3. So let's have a look how can we achieve that. So to perform this action, we need to first of all zip the values. So here we need to pass names and then ages. This will give you a tuple. So we need to cast that tuple into dictionary and let's save it into some variable, let's say dic, and I will go ahead and print this out. So you can see that at the bottom, we got the result with proper mapping. Now let's say if you're having duplicate keys. So in that case, you will get only two values in your dictionary, Sashi and Honey, because the Honey, which is the later one, is mapped to the one which is coming later in the ages. So this is how you can club two lists and generate a dictionary. I hope you enjoyed today's video and thanks for watching.